Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies, showing VTube laser software connected to a FARO edge arm from Paul Marinos. And this one has a blue laser and it scans great on a tube like this. I have this project set up so that it can scan through the tube, and also it has to use what's called an end-scan flyer filter on the ends, which ensures that the endpoints themselves are not including flyers or any points that are alone. So we follow a very stringent test for accepting points on the end with the end-scan flyer filter. And on a tube like this, it's a little bit harder to scan, but it's well worth the effort when we have the end-scan flyer filter on, because it ensures that the end distances are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and press Quick Start over here in Measure Process. And I'm going to start with this end right here. In fact, I'll just turn this over so you can see the viewpoint there. That's your viewpoint roughly, okay, looking at the model. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to aim and get my distance set up on the first straight right here. So I'm looking for a blue line on top of the red. So the red doesn't actually measure, the red just helps us get our distance correct. And once that distance is correct, then I'm going to carefully rotate the scanner around so that the blue is on the end, and I'm going to push and hold the scan button on the end. You can see the purple points on the screen. I'm going to scan the first straight. Now, if there was a failure in the end scan flyer filter, then you're going to see a red X here instead of a green check mark inside the end scan quality box. But in this case, it passes, and you can see how many points were found. Now, the scanning of the straights is really simple in this part with this laser scanner. Much easier than with the older scanners. And so, once again, I've got my distance, and I'm going to put that blue laser right on the end. And it accepted the points on the end that I scanned. And you can see we're ready to go as far as finish and building, and let's perform an alignment, and it should be good. It is. You can see all the green and the tangent midpoint grid in the lower left corner, which qualifies the shape of this part. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can contact me directly at michael.cohn@advancedtubular.com. Thanks. Bye then.